Hong Kong Geopark celebrated its entrance into a global network of similar UNESCO parks last week. The international initiative recognizes sites representing an earth science interest.
The park, which flanks urban Hong Kong, officially became part of the Global Geopark Network in September. On December 14th, park representatives and geo-experts celebrated the park's entry into the international park system with dancing, music, performance, and plays. Chief Executive of Hong Kong, Donald Tsang, says it was an opportunity to recognize the park's growth since it was opened in November of 2009.
Hong Kong
Geopark has become the top-rated one in the country, even a world-class geopark over the past 2 years. It not only represents the conservation work in Hong Kong, but also indicates that Hong Kong has excellent natural scenery in the metropolis.
Hong Kong Geopark has signed sister agreements with 5 other geoparks in the world, sharing management experiences, training methods, research, and education. The United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, or UNESCO, established the network to promote geological, archaeological, ecological, and cultural education. Hong Kong Geopark, located in Sai Kung, has 4 geological education centers and 10 tour routes to help the visitors know more about the geological significance and natural landscapes of the area. Global Geopark Network was established in 2004 and has 87 members from 27 countries, including Europe, Asia, and South America.